Hello everyone, welcome to the month of September. I hope you're well. Today I will show you my income from stock photography for the month of September 2023. Outside the window you can already see the autumn aura and the morning fog, conducive to leave the house in the morning with a camera or a drone to capture such beautiful phenomena. Without further ado, we start with the least profitable stock agencies. Okay, let's get started. Depositphotos. As is almost every month, I sold only one photo. It is a photo from my drone, a huge entrustment of colorful lakes, filled with seawater, from which sea salt is naturally obtained. Profit 25 cents. The second one is 1 to 3 RF. In total, 3 photos were sold, all for 22 cents. One of them is a wind farm in the mountains during sunrise. View from above on a small lake in the forest. And last one, limestone scales in National Park covered with moss. Total earnings 66 cents. Let's move to Dreamtime. I sold 2 photos, 35 cents for Viaduct d'Anterre and the massive Dulestrel on the coast of Mediterranean Sea. And the second is a photo of a nuclear power plant in southern France, also for 35 cents, which added up to 70 cents. Let's go to Wirestock. This is an agency where I uploaded about 100 photos some time ago, but since I don't have a paid plan, I stopped adding photos there. This discouraged me and I didn't add anything for 6 months. These are photos only for my phone. My first 2 photos sold made me 84 cents. Bigstock. This month has been one of the best for this agency for me in a long time. 2 photos were sold for 25 cents. One of them is a machine for harvesting fruit, especially apples, and another is a close-up of a wind farm from my drone during sunrise and beautiful autumn morning fog. Very often, photos from this trip are downloaded, so I recommended getting up very early in the morning. And the last one, my wife building a tower of stones by the river. That photo earned me $3.25 and sold twice. Total earnings $3.75. The next agency is Motion Array. I'm having a really hard time uploading videos here. I think it's because we have to upload each video separately, and it's not automated in any way. At the moment, I have 277 assets on it. 67 videos were downloaded. There is also little progress compared to last month. In the month of September, the most downloaded video was a panoramic overhead view of a farmland irrigation system, downloaded 7 times. And 2 shots of a TGV high-speed passenger train in France, entering and exiting a tunnel at high speed, downloaded 5 times. Total earnings for this month is $8. It's 0.5 now. To my surprise, something finally downloaded. I have about 650 videos on this agency. At this point, this is the first download in 6 months. This is a shot of a drone flying over the Rhone River in southern France in the morning with thick fog hanging over the water. Something really sells, but if so, it is always a 2-digit number. This time is $15.60. We go to Shutterstock. This month, my third highest grossing agency. In my portfolio, I have 1,396 photos and 538 videos. In September, 16 assets were downloaded, including 14 photos and 2 videos. The most profitable photos is panoramic top view of a frozen wavy lake in southern Poland for 93 cents, and a view of a small dry waterfall on the Drôme River in France for 62 cents. Video aerial drone view over vineyards during sunset with mountainous terrain in the background for $13.83. And a tractor driving along rows of trees in apple fields, trimming protruding branches for $3.86. In total, in the month of September, mainly thanks to videos, the income was $22.67. GettyImages iStock. In my portfolio, I have 1,550 images and 588 videos. 28 assets were downloaded, including 24 photos and 4 videos. The most profitable photo turned out to be, as every month, a photo of photovoltaic panels placed on the roof of a greenhouse, which was downloaded 12 times for the amount of $5.11. This is one of the first photos taken with my Mini 3 Pro, which is the most popular on all stock agencies every month. One of the videos for $10.92 is a drone shot of a TGV high-speed passenger train passing over the viaduct towards the tunnel. Drone flight over Lake Grandjean and the Dame for $4.80. And sea waves crashing on red rocks in southern France for $1.67. The total income from my second best agency this month was $30.62. And the last one is Adobe Stock. I would like to start with the Firefly contributor bonus from Adobe in the amount of $17.29. Adobe Firefly is a family of creative, generative artificial intelligence models available as a standalone web application available on the official Adobe website. We received a bonus for training the engine of this artificial intelligence. So thank you very much, a nice addition to your monthly income. In my portfolio, I have 1,543 photos, 628 videos, and 803 illustrations. I had 98 downloads this month. Image sales were 13, 4 videos, and 81 illustrations. This is a very huge jump because last month there were only 4 illustrations. The images earned me $12.14, videos $16.80, and illustrations $83.49. For the first time in my history, 32 photos were downloaded in one day, all generated by AI. The best-selling illustration was the Olympic torch with the Eiffel Tower in the background, downloaded 12 times for a profit of $10.01. Another silhouette of a raining man downloaded 9 times for a total of $7.68, and a similar illustration downloaded 5 times for a profit of $3.93. 4 photo downloads of my wife holding a bunch of grapes in front of grapes field for $3.21. Video with a view of the river pollution treatment system on the Rhone River in France for $8.40. Aerial drone view over vineyards during sunset, $2.80. The same tractor cutting branches as on Shutterstock for $2.80, and another shot for the same amount. My total income for this month was $112.43. Before we start the summary, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. And I encourage you to watch my other videos. My total of month of September 2023 was $187.52, and a total of 222 assets were downloaded. If I compare it to last year, September 2022, it was just $8.58. Thanks for watching, take care, and see you next month. Bye.